name is Arunda. I am the inventor of the 8 technologies put together that create, altogether the 8 technologies create the Orgo-Life Quantum Energy MedBed technology. So one of the technologies, we have our mannequin here on a massage table. And we're gonna be dressing up our mannequin with the free spirit helmet, shoulders and meridians. Also over here with the root chakra by under and on the legs. So we're gonna have all the meridians stimulated and activated. So here we have what's called the infrared TDP lamp. Okay, what's an infrared TDP lamp? It works with a heating element that pushes through electromagnetic field through a plate that has 33 elements. So both of them are 250 watts radiant infrared technology. They have elements and they're pushing through a plate. So this works on a 220. We work on a 220 transfo, European style. And we're going to be setting this up on the mannequin. So when we use the lamps, we position about, give and take, 12 inches away from the body. But during the session, you have to check that sometimes it needs to be adjusted maybe an inch further or an inch closer, not to burn your subject or the person doing the medbed, you know. And you have over here the timer. You have this that tells you the current is coming in, and when you turn it, you could set it up to 60 minutes and it will run. The second technology on the medbed is the free spirit helmet. Free spirit because it frees your mind, it frees the brain, it frees everything. It comes with 9 modules, the Velcro headset, and with the undercap for different customers. So this is the headset with the Velcro, so the modules could go positive or negative, so you'll have senses to it. It comes also with 5 undercap for the customers, which you have to wash at the end of a day. And if you want more, you could purchase more. So you put this, and then you put the headset, so you don't have to clean the headset all the time, but change the cap. And it comes with 9 modules. Each of the modules have a positive and a negative sense. So they have the quantum push technology, and they're working at frequencies that will harmonize with the brain. Each of the helmet comes with an English chart explaining what each one of the modules do. And you have also the chart in French. Okay, so we're going to put the undercap on our subject on the model over here. Here we go. So this avoids for cleaning purposes. You know, the head is a bit smaller than human, but it does the job for a video. Don't have to pay someone to wait all day. So everything's got all the Velcro, so I install the headset, tighten the Velcro, and I'm going to be using the module. So if there's nothing specific over here, I'll be using the negative side for today. So I'm using the negative on the pineal gland, on the sides here, near the... Okay, and let's say the subject would have something, a toothache, I could put over here near the tooth. So the quantum push will be pushing electromagnetic field with special frequency. I'll put over here on the top. I'll be using the side. I'll be using positive frequency. I'll be using the quantum push. Let's say someone would have a bit sore ears or ears that make a sound. So I got here the full free spirit headset set up on my model. Now a third technology on the medbed is very important, is a quantum zapper. It comes to make colloidal water. It comes with a cleaning for the rods, which is pure silver, 0.9999. So it is very soft silver, and it's better than 9995, which will have more aluminum and stuff like that. So this is 0.9999 pure silver. It comes with a rechargeable battery, and it comes with the zapper, and it comes with the charger itself and the instructions. So here we have the quantum zapper. This is pure silver, which is being cleaned almost every session, because one of them is the anode and the cathode, and it will oxidize. If you have a blood or a body that is very acidic, it will come black and be more, it'll have more cleaning to do on the anode. And you turn it on over here, and this will be touching the blood. So what I do to install it, one of the best places to install is on the legs. You gotta watch the skin that is not too fragile. I'm taking the Velcro and I turn it on. So the pills of silver are doing contact over here. It will do the cleaning.
You can do this as well, no?
Yeah, I could put it that way, yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't do really a change, Aruna. It just has to be on the skin. This is just for the demo. One of the another technology used in the MedBed is also the music. We use the music as technology. So the music, all soundtracks are 2 hours and 33 minutes. They are mastered in 432 hertz as a frequency. And inside each of the soundtrack, they are classified in a way that they have other Rife frequencies. They could have for connectivity to the divine, for cleansing and stuff like that. And it comes with a full book where you'll have each soundtrack, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. They'll all be classified according to a series, which you'll be able to set on your music. So the full kit comes in the box for the MedBed. You have a pair of headset. You have the charger and the music, and in the music you have it on the little unit, which is a little unit like this, and your card with that you purchase separately, 68 soundtracks of 2 hours and 33 minutes. So that's there with the charger and the cable and the headset, and it comes also with USB key, which you could have all the soundtracks. Okay. So for the music, we turn on the MP3 player. Everything is on a file on a little card which you purchase separately, the 68 soundtracks. So this is, let's check over here, A20. So if you want to know what A20 is, and I said the sounds, I could put it louder, and it goes through my headphones, very comfortable headphones. And if I want to know what the soundtrack is, for example, I'll go A20. We have the book in both official languages for MedBed, which is French and English. So I think here I have a French book, so let's go to it. So A20. A20 is, let me check 2 seconds. It's to connect to the universe, to enter the light, and you'll have all kinds of frequency that will play on you during this soundtrack, which is 2 hours and 33 minutes. So it's a very good. The way it works is before your customer, when they take the appointment, you want to know why they're coming for. And by knowing this, you could choose the soundtrack, put it in their dossier, and when they come that day, you have picked and selected already their soundtrack instead of losing time when the customer comes. It's all stuff you could prepare ahead of time. So we're going to go put the headset with the music for the soundbed experience. So I turn on the modules. Oops. And I'll select the soundtrack. And let's say I have adjusted the sound. You have little holes in the free spirit. I put it on and will be in the, I have here the soundtrack A20 and basically living the experience. So here that we have to go with the model is we have the Meridian models come with English and French chart. So we have 5 yellow modules, 5 pink modules, 5 fuchsia models, modules, and we have 5 purple modules. Each modules have a specific way of working. So the yellow ones are for energetic inflammation. The pink one are for no fear, love, peace. This one will be for general well-being, and this one will be for an overall global health, which is the pink one. And each one are identified with little dots on the top. So we have for the purple little dot, we don't see it really. Here we have the pink, and we have the yellow modules. And it comes, this is for the thorax, and each one of the velcros for the legs. So we're going to start by fixing this on the thorax to align the chakras, and these are the velcros that each go on the legs. It's a model, it's not like the real thing, but it's pretty close. So I'm going to be positioning one at the root chakra, and let's say I have chosen the colors accordingly for the subject. I position them. So this will have an energetic on what's called le triple réchauffeur, the meridian, which is the main meridian. And on each one of the leg, I'll be positioning the modules to get the energy circulating like we saw on the model with the meridians. Model on the legs, so to get the energy circulating with the meridians, and over here through the root chakra to the chakra of the throat, all the way to the throat chakra, and we have the arms and the helmet. So all the modules are positioned. So the other kit, we call them decrystallization modules. They're big modules with 5 times the strength of quantum push. So when you open, they are a bigger module. They have the quantum push, and they're very heavy and they're very, very strong. So it comes with 6 modules, and it comes also with the shoulder kit. It doesn't mean that these go on the shoulder. You will put these on the body where you have blockage. So if you have a tennis elbow, you'll be using stronger modules for the tennis elbow. And these are the meridians. So we have the headset free spirit that was put on. We have meridians throughout the body, and we have to position everything accordingly to the Chinese meridian technology for acupuncture. So we use the same technology. Here we have the Velcro for the headset and both arms. So we're going to install this on the mannequin right over here. We're not going to film the way we put them on, but I will install it on the mannequin, then we will come right back how we position the modules. In this case, let's pretend that the model here is a tennis player, that she has both tennis elbows. So the elbow's right over here. So I'll be positioning the modules with the strong quantum push to get it going. So I'm installing these stronger modules, and I'll put all on the shoulder, let's say, because she's a tennis player. So I did both shoulders, both elbows, in the shoulders. So I got the modules installed. Here we are under the massage table for where we're doing the session. So you have the frequency generator that's set to 528. I have adjusted, sending the pulse. This is a quantum booster. These, the blue ones, are the pulsing, PEMF pulsing electromagnetic frequency. So sending, this is going through a 1000% quantum booster. It goes through the charging plate. This is more under the bum. This will be at the root chakra, the pyramid, which will be pulsing PEMF. Here we have therapeutic pulsing frequencies. Same over here, going through boosters. And here we have the Enterprise 3 pulsing PEMF going through quantum, because it goes through the frequency. It could be analog with I could use a spiral of copper, which will be great. It does work. Copper and analog is very great. There's a lot of technologies out there that they do analog, or you could do quantum. In this case, quantum, there's a electronic circuit inside, and the vibration, the pulsing vibration goes through the quartz, which gives really an effect of quantum. There's a magic, a metaphysical magic that happens that is going through all the stones and the crystals with the pulsing PEMF. So it's a great technology, and it gives you a quantum experience. Thank you very much. The thing that we place is a corporate charging plate, which is hooked up to a frequency generator. So we place it under the pillow at the head, and it's adjusted there with a frequency generator, which I have pre-selected the frequency. And now we're going to position our TDP lamp, which has been preheated before. So I'm placing and I'm bringing the lamp right over here. It's called a lamp, but it works with element. So in this case, I'm going to put on the chakra over here, and I'll be using the root chakra as well. I'm going to position the lamp like this. Et voilà.